Some breaking news coming in now. Okay, the AIADMK, the ruling party in Tamil Nadu, will have a party meeting today at 4:30. Will have a meeting today with all senior members of the party. Ministers and district secretaries. The Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister are also to take part in the meeting today. The agenda, according to sources, is to plan the 2021 elections and begin work. Strategies and work that needs to be done will be discussed. The meeting is important as it is scheduled a day before Amit Shah arrives in Chennai. Okay, let's go straight across and get a word from the ground. Akshaya Nath is with me live from Chennai. Akshaya, big meeting by the AIADMK, all top leaders there, right before Amit Shah arrives. Take us through what this meeting is about.
Well, Shiv, we are right now at the AIADMK headquarters, and you can see that there's a huge gathering of the AIADMK cadres outside the headquarters. And right now they're expecting Chief Minister Edappadi K. Palanisamy to arrive at this venue anytime. Already there's a lot of sloganeering going on here. And Shiv, as far as the meeting is concerned, this is supposed to be a high-profile meeting of all the senior ministers and party workers regarding their plan for the upcoming 2021 elections. This is a preparatory scene. We've been seeing that, multiple occasions they've already, appointed a set of committees on how the AIADMK is going to look at the 2021 elections. And just ahead of Home Minister Amit Shah's visit, we're seeing that this meeting is happening. And this meeting was actually announced after Amit Shah's visit to Chennai was announced by Dr. L. Murugan, the BJP state president. So, there will be a lot of planning on those regards, as well as what we are getting to know from our sources within the AIADMK. They're saying that they will be making all their preparations and all their details ready in case there is a discussion which will happen with Home Minister Amit Shah, the BJP leader. And we're seeing that, something very interesting here, Shiv, that, the BJP's Yatra was denied permission, stating that it will lead to a lot of overcrowding. But what we can see outside the AIADMK headquarters is just that. So the questions of if the CM and DCM and the others are, following the rules of COVID
Stay with me, Akshay.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.